In this example, I am going to share you the usage of text functions in Excel. So I am going to share you three text functions which will be helpful while using Excel in day-to-day life. So I am going to add one more column here, product with the part number. We have already two columns, product and part number. The third column I am going to add here, product with the part number. So I want to join the two column text into one column. So I'm going to start with the text join function. Type text join, open bracket. Then this is the first text. So first argument we can see here as delimiter. So we need a delimiter between while joining these two columns. So I am keeping the delimiter as comma on the double quotes. And we can see ignore empty cells, means if any column is empty, then if you want to ignore. So what we have to do here, I am removing here one more line, I am adding here. I am just adding one more product here and keep the second column as blank. Now we can start with this text join. Type again text join, open bracket, on the double quotes delimiter as comma, because when we concat these two columns we can see comma in between two text. Then ignore empty cells, I am keeping here as true in case any empty cells. So click on true here, I am just keeping true, and text 1 as this one, comma, text 2 as part number. If you have more, you can add it. Now close the bracket and drag it. You can see the last one del, there is no comma because I make it as true. When I make it as false, it will not ignore. We can see that comma also. We can see the comma after that particular product. Suppose I want to split again this product joint product, I want to split it. We can use as another text function. Here we can start with another text function, that is name it as text split, which I explained in the previous video. I'm just going to share you again how it works. I'm just keeping here as false also, so that we can use the delimiter also here. So start with equal to text split. What is our delimiter to split it? First, this is a text delimiter as comma. So when we use that delimiter, after that delimiter, it will split it the another text. So text join and text split we have learned. Now we have product in multiple rows product, we need to keep it in a single cell. How we can keep this multiple row products in single text? We can start with Arraytotext function. Type Arraytotext, select that range of product, close the bracket, enter. Now we can see all the products in single cell. This is also quite helpful while using the Excel. So we can fit this cell. So if we want to fit this cell, just click on right button, format cells. On the alignment we can see wrap text, click on wrap text. So these are the three important functions, text function, which will be